Good morning, good morning, good morning. And you know what? Welcome to our daily market overview. So, from today, actually, I will be having some few updates actually on the way we do the analysis. So, I don't really want to do analysis like every day, like daily analysis every day. But, anyways, you will just see the update going further. So, it's not going to be daily update Monday until Friday. No, we are going to have some few changes. So, yeah, as you can see, we are actually starting with a DXY or dollar index. So this is going to help us to understand the overall movements of the currency pairs and gold, everything that we are going to check, right? So we know very well that this dollar index is actually a very good indicator to show us whether the dollar is stronger or weaker, US dollar, right? So at the moment, we can easily see that the market has been going up for quite some time. That was actually bullish, which means the dollar was quite stronger. So now we see a nice breakout here, a nice retest there. So that actually shows us that the market is starting to get weaker because we see a breakout. So which means from this, we should actually see some strength with the other pairs which are going with the dollar, right? So, but that is not always the case because we also have some other fundamentals. We have some earnings here and there that can actually affect that specific pair or instrument, right? So, here it shows us that, you know what, the market did break out. This is a proper retest. We see the market going down there. So that shows us that this overall structure, it's actually now showing us that it will be going down. And that will be showing what? The weakness. That it will be the weakness of the dollar. And we need that because we want them to cut the rate. So don't worry about the economic news because we just have a special day for them. So we will be covering that. So at the moment here on DXY, we're just waiting for a continuation of this structure because it shows us that we had a retest, so we might have a continuation. If you check on top there, something like that can actually work very nice. So we're expecting the dollar to continue to lose that momentum, but some of the economic news, they don't really allow that. They don't really actually agree with us at the moment. So Euro USD, what's really happening? We can easily see that yes, this is our major currency pair. So you can see that the market has been going down. The time DXY was going up. You see, now the dollar was going down. We saw the breakout. Now we expect the market to do what? To continue going down, which means it will be going the opposite direction with DXY. Did you see DXY? Let me go back. Let me go back. Do you see this? So the time DXY was going down, sorry, up, Euro USD, it was on a nice downtrend structure. Now we see that Euro USD just broke out. So even here we see a nice retest here. So this shows us that they are positively correlating, and this can be a very good indicator. Do you see this? So now, which means as we expect DXY to go down, at the end of the day, it means we're gonna see Europe gaining that momentum, or the euro. Do you see that? Because we just had a breakout. So now our overall structure is actually a very nice uptrend. Simple as that. We don't really have to complicate things. So we're still going to have some setups that we are going to use along the way, and then you will see. So the best thing that you can do is don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. So now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? Yes, we were on a very nice uptrend structure. The market was going down. So what we have now, we have a proper breakout there. So our setup should be straightforward. We can easily see that now the market is giving us an area that it's actually respecting. That is going to be our proper support area. But do we have any resistance at the moment? No. Maybe it might be this area or maybe that area. It means we just have to wait for the market to do its thing before we actually act. Do you see that? Yes, the overall structure here is we expect the market to do what? To start going down like that as a very nice downtrend. But we are still at the early stages. So will the market create that? It's up to the market, and we have to wait for the market. And once we get that, we are going to follow the trend, because with this breakout, it shows the change of the trend. So the market just changed this trend. Now we are coming from this uptrend. Now we supposed to look for that downtrend structure. I hope you see that. So as it's still Monday, I will be updating you about everything here. So now we are on US30. Now we are on US30. So we had a nice buy there. Sorry, I think the market just reversed. So, but what we see here is we are coming from a very nice aggressive downtrend structure. And then the market broke out of that. So once the market break out of that structure, it shows us that now the market is willing to do what? To change the trend and continue with a different trend. And indeed, that happened. We had this aggressive trend going to the upside. But what we have here, you can easily see that the market was like aggressively going in the upside. Plus, we had some economic news which forced the market to go or like that, you see. So, but at the moment, we're just waiting for a proper structure that we can use. Yes, we can still say we are on a very nice uptrend, but we had this first aggressive sell-off. But we actually needed that so that the market can continue going up very nice. Because, you know, if we are on an uptrend, we expect the market to move like that, not something like this. So this is not really the market can maintain that, or it's not really sustainable. That's why we get this crazy breakout. So because the market did not really breathe, the market was just running. Then at the end of the day, the market crashes before we see the market goes up again. But what we see here is we just have to wait for this to mature. Yes, we can do whatever that we want to do there, but I think it's much better to stay out at the moment. Whatever that we have now, it's not really that enough. We only have this area that we can use as a potential support area, and it shows us that the market is still respecting that. So maybe at the end of the day, we will see the market doing what? Going to the upside. If it goes down, it's also fine. We will be updating you about that. But at the moment, I think it's way much better for us to wait for this to mature. Wait for that structure to mature, right? So now let's push to the next one, which is Nasdaq 100 or US 100. So now what you see here is we can easily see that the market is trying to continue with that nice uptrend. But before we conclude here, you can easily see that yes, we still have those packages or that sale. Guys, we actually are extended this to month end. We actually extended this special to month end. So if you want to be part of the team, let me know. You can pause the video. You can just WhatsApp me or check my description. You will find my WhatsApp link or my Telegram. Then talk to me. So also on the description, you will find actually our free signal group or link, right? So go check that. You can be part of the team. So now on Nasdaq, what's really happening? We can easily see that the market is still on this nice uptrend. And with this uptrend, we can easily see that the market actually is coming from a very, very aggressive structure. With this, you can see we had a very nice bullish move. And at the moment, even though we had a sell, it's not really that enough, but I feel like that it's much better than before, as the market did give us a nice reversal. So what we see here is the market actually, let me copy that. The market actually broke out the highest level, and you can see that that is the highest level that we had. And even though the retest was not really clean there, but I feel like the market already gave us something. And with this, I think maybe we might see the market playing around this level before we see a proper push to the upside. Do you see that? I hope you see that. And for today, this is enough. You can go back and watch my daily sorry, my weekly analysis, and that is also enough. But at the moment, we are still on a very nice uptrend structure, as we expect to see a nice retest here, and we will see. We expect the market to play around that level. And we had we did smash that very nice on Friday, even though we had some reversals on Thursday, and I think Thursday, Wednesday there. But the overall structure, it's still a very nice bullish move. We're still expecting to see a nice move. But anyways, wait for my update tomorrow. I will be making sure that you are up to date. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.